Does your Ecovacs Deebot T9 have a lying problem? 1 minute it's at 40% battery, and the next, bam, it's dead in the middle of the hallway. No warning, no returning to dock, just total silence. The culprit? Usually it's a faulty battery. Over time, the cells lose their ability to sustain the high voltage needed for those powerful suction motors. It's like trying to run a sports car on an AA battery. It just isn't going to happen. Ignoring this doesn't just leave your floors dusty. A failing battery can lead to incomplete cleaning cycles and unnecessary wear on the internal hardware. But don't worry, RoboCare knows exactly how to fix this power crisis. Let's get to work. At RoboCare, our technicians live and breathe robot vacuum engineering. We have years of experience specifically with the Ecovacs line, and we understand the unique power management systems inside the Deebot T9 better than anyone. We don't just swap parts, we understand the science behind the failure. We don't just guess, we diagnose. Our team uses specialized diagnostic tools and load testing equipment to simulate heavy cleaning cycles, pinpointing exactly where the battery voltage collapses. Our solution is a precision repair. We carefully extract the faulty battery and replace it with genuine components. We also perform a comprehensive system calibration to ensure your T9 recognizes its new power source for a 100% accurate charge reading. But don't just take our word for it. Let's get to the results. Check it out. This Ecovacs Deebot T9 is back to full power. No more mid-clean shutdowns, no more ghost drains, just a perfectly clean home and a robot that actually finishes its shift. Ready to revive your robot? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.